G'day everyone, you've got the other Matt here from Lawnporn today, and we are going to be looking at renovating this backyard just behind us. Stick around, let's have a look and see what we can do. Thanks for joining everyone. So today we are going to be looking at renovating the backyard that's sitting right behind me here. So this is my mate's backyard. I'm going to flip the camera around, we'll have a bit of a look at it in a second. But first of all, it hasn't been dethatched in a long time, so we're going to bust out a dethatcher. We're going to give it a bit of a low mow, tidy up a heap of the edges. If we need to type some plants just through here, we'll also get the hedge trimmer out there as well. We're planning on doing maybe a couple of videos on this one. We'll also help him or have a look at the irrigation fix up as we go through, and maybe replace some of the sprinkler heads as well to K-Rains or MP rotators, just to be a little bit more water efficient and to help support the lower water pressure that he's got here as well. So over the next couple of episodes you might see us tackling this lawn, and hopefully then we'll be able to track its progress as we go through. Let's get into it. Right, so this is what we're up against. This is my mate's lawn, so we're going to have a bit of a look here. You can clearly see it needs a bit of TLC, needs to be leveled a lot, so we're going to look at that as well. Got the equipment here we're going to be using today as well. So we've got the Greenworks 40 volt dethatcher, got the Ego whipper snipper. This is the same one that I've had for the last 3 or 4 years, still going strong. And I've got a brand new 60 volt Greenworks Pro 18 volt mower as well. This was only received a couple of days ago for review, so we'll get a bit into that as well and have a look. So just having a look over here, we've got a really patchy lawn that we're looking at. Struggles to grow over that fence, near that fence, because we have a lack of sunlight, especially during winter. So we'll have a look at that. We've got a few little patches here as well that you can see where we've got a resident lizard that likes to dig as well, apparently, and also Tyson the dog. So we'll have a bit of a look at all this and we'll get into it. So I'll put the camera on time lapse and we'll start to tidy up everything. Okay, so we have just finished dethatching with the 40 volt dethatcher. So I think we ended up with that on a -8 in the end, so that's how low we went on that. We also took it to the bottom of the Greenworks 60 volt Pro. Now that is bottom, but it's still 25 millimeters. So as you can see, we've still got a fair bit of green here. We ideally want to take it down a little bit lower than what it is currently now. We did get a fair bit of thatch and dead crap out of it, which we'll go over and have a quick look at now. Spencer's just loading up, so that's all the stuff we got off. This will eventually turn into a garden bed maybe, but for now we're just going to put some stuff here. So as you can see, this is all the dead crap we got out of it. So not a lot of green material in there, but we've still got a bit here. So what I'm thinking is I may even go across the road and grab my away bang and bring this over and see if we can get a little bit lower before we even maybe go over with the dethatcher again. So let's have a quick look at that. Okay, so this is the result of us dethatching. So offside of camera, what we did is we went over it again twice with the Greenworks 40 volt at minus 12 millimeters. That's taken it down quite a lot. You've taken a lot of the greens come out of it. We're just in the middle of going over again with the Waybang on its lowest setting, so that's 13mm. So we're really sucking up a lot of the crap and dirt through here now. So this is the kind of stuff that we're sucking up. So there's a bit of stuff in there, a bit of dirt. It's also helped leveling it out because the Waybang's quite heavy at 55 kilos, I believe, off the top of my head. So Spencer will keep on going through and get all this fixed up. What we'll do next steps is we are going to go through. Now Spencer told me that the water is beating on here. It's really not nice. So what we'll do is I'll get some Moist, some Hero and some Four Seasons out of the shed. I'll spray the Moist and Hero on here for him, and we'll apply the Four Seasons and then give it a really good water in. Then the next day or two, what we're going to do is we're going to top dress the lawn and level it all out. While we're doing that, we may also have a look at if some of the plants need to be done, and Spencer will also fix up some of the irrigation as well to try and get on top of that. So from here, Moist, Hero and Four Seasons and a big water in. Let's keep an eye on this and we'll see how we go. So thanks everyone for watching today's video. Please keep an eye out. There will be a few more episodes of this lawn coming through where we're going to monitor it and see how we go with its progress over the next few weeks. It is currently the end of November, so let's see if we can get this happening in probably mid-December. It should start coming out fairly green, and then by the end of December, Christmas, it should be looking prime for Christmas and New Year's over here. So keep on the channel. If you like this, please click the like button, subscribe to the channel. As you know, we love creating content and we even love it even more when you guys watch it. Get your lawn on, and thanks very much.